out here and they just went back inside the house. Is this a vacant property? Because the door's all busted.
Akron police, come outside.
Akron police, come outside.
Come out.
Come out, we're gonna send the dog in. Akron police, come out.
Come out or we'll send the canine in.
Okay, close the door.
Yeah. We saw you. Come outside. We just have to ask what happened.
Yeah, they went back in there and the house looks vacant.
We located these two. They ran inside this vacant house.
Okay, can you come outside? All right, come on.
Akron, Ohio. Officers respond to a domestic disturbance call. Two subjects flee into a vacant house. Officers call them out. The male exits and claims he went back inside for his phone.
We ain't playing games out here. We told you to stay outside and you go back inside the house.
Are you holding up front or are they up front?
They up front. Hey, come outside.
I'm not doing it. I never told
Come outside.
Nobody ever talked to me.
Come outside.
Oh, okay, no. Who else is in here?
I keep trying to keep them out of the house, but they won't stay out of the house.
Okay.
What the hell's up?
I know, you weren't involved. It was the other two that are in here. Come on, just come outside.
I don't want to promise the neighbors to tell you. I'm
Vacant house? Yeah, come
no,
on
it's not a
outside.
vacant house.
Oh yeah, my bad. I was trying to find
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Did we just see you run in?
Yep.
Yeah, I had to go get my phone.
Okay, where's the female at?
Female in there. Come inside. Come outside.
Nobody else is in
There was
there.
a girl in there.
She's up.
She done
No,
left.
she started.
No, she didn't.
I saw her come in.
Is she still in there?
Dude, I watched her go in the back door.
Can I go get her?
No, you can stay right there.
That's my girl, bro. Can I go get her?
Okay, but you've been lying this whole time. So
What
where?
do you mean? I went to get my
What
phone,
is
dude.
her
I wasn't
name?
lying. I
What's
was
her
coming
name?
up the stairs.
What's her name?
What is her name?
God.
Sky, come outside. This is Akron PD. Who else is in the house?
Nobody. I know. I was sleeping.
Sky, come outside. It's Akron PD. All right. Well, I guess we're gonna have to clear your house. You need to go with one of these guys. Yeah.
I'll hold it up here. No, sit right there.
Nothing else is in the house. Nobody else.
No. There shouldn't be nobody. The dog's in the cage.
Okay. So how many dogs do you have in here?
Just one of the puppies right there. Her name's Little Girl.
Where's she at inside? You don't know where she's at inside?
I don't know where she's at, nigga.
Look, man.
If she's in there, she's in there. If she's not, she's not, bro. I don't
She's in there because we got this place surrounded, so, and we saw you guys run inside. So, hey, I'm gonna let you know right now. Honestly, it's gonna be the best policy going
Listen,
forward.
bro, I can't control what she does. That's me. I don't know where she's at. That's not none of my. That's not mine. That's not me.
Okay. Here's hold the back.
Yeah.
Hey, babe. Baby, come here.
Sky, come outside.
Baby, come here.
Can I please talk her out of there?
No.
She's probably just scared.
She's coming.
Baby, it's all right. Come here. Yeah, come here, baby. Come on. The back. Come out the front.
Good to go in at this point.
Come out the front, baby. It's all right. Come on.
Austin, front or back?
In the front, baby. Come on. It's all right, baby.
Right, come on.
Come on here and sit next to me.
There's another girl. There was another girl. Remember? Did you go look at her?
Yeah, that's her.
That's her?
Yeah.
Alright, Martin, you got him up here? We're gonna clear the house.
Is anybody else inside the house?
No.
That's it. Just you three inside.
They just stopped by saying to me I was sleeping.
All right. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, your name's Sky, correct? I need you to step up here and talk to this officer over here, all right?
Why?
Because I said so, that's why. Don't make this more difficult than what it needs to be, please. Alright.
What's going on, man?
I'm not gonna incriminate myself.
Huh?
I'm not gonna incriminate myself.
We're worried about your safety, not incriminating yourself. Is that your boyfriend up there? Yeah.
I'm legally deaf. I only have hearing in my right ear, not my left.
This ear over here?
I cannot hear on this side. I can only hear on this side, so I can't hear how loud I'm talking.
You're not talking loud. You're good. Did he do something to you?
I don't care about that. Like,
Then what do you care about?
he's got warrants.
Okay. What does he have warrants for?
DVs. DVs.
Out of Akron?
I need you to be completely honest, because people called, saw what happened. So what happened tonight?
What do you mean?
What happened
What
tonight?
happened?
You tell me what happened tonight.
I don't know. The car breaks down. Me and her get in an argument. That's it. We go inside to find brake fluid.
Okay.
So then why did you run inside as soon as...
I didn't run inside. I walked inside to get my phone.
No, that's not what it looked like. We told you to stay outside.
Was I running? Was I running?
You went back inside.
I didn't hear you say stay out. I didn't hear you say not go inside.
How about when I came to the door?
But I was downstairs trying to get upstairs. The whole downstairs. If you look down there, it's hard as hell to get up those steps.
Okay.
And I had no light to walk around in the basement with.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I had no light to walk around the basement with. I couldn't see. I was trying to get upstairs, dude. I came up. Didn't I come up? I wasn't trying
After we basically have to surround the house and yell at you to come out.
Dude, I saw the lights, but I was using those lights to be able to see, dude.
Okay.
To get up the stairs. Please go look at those steps and tell me that
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, there's no steps.
Dude, it's steps, but they're covered in shit.
Yeah.
So I was slipping and falling as I was trying to come up the
Here.
No, I don't care. I live down the street. Actually, I live either down there. I'm
So what?
between two
So then why were you even?
because I was asking my dude for brake fluid, man. I need
Okay.
brake fluid for the car so we can
Is,
actually
is he
stop.
like a friend?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my family, dude.
Okay. So then why would someone call?
Maybe because they heard arguing in the middle of the night. I don't know.
What were you guys arguing about?
Damn brakes on that fucking car, dude.
Okay. That's it. You guys were just arguing.
Just arguing, dude.
Okay.
She said he's misrepping. He got warrants. Did he give you the right stuff?
What name she give you?
He didn't tell me, but she said whatever name he gave while you was up there, he misrepping because he got DV warrants. So you might want to get up here because he might about to run.
What's your social one more time?
I don't know. I carry it with me all the time. I carry it in my wallet. I don't have my wallet on me. Me and her I don't have my shit with me.
So you don't know your social?
I don't know my social, no.
Okay.
No one ever, I never even got my social, dude.
All right. What's your first name? Austin.
Daniel Harrell.
Daniel Harrell.
What's your real name?
Daniel Harrell.
What's your real name?
Daniel Harrell.
I'm not about to do this with you because you're about to go in cuffs in a second if you don't tell me your real name.
Austin Harrell.
Austin Harrell. When's your birthday? Hey, Stephanie, if you could go just back to where you stand, that'd be.
I'm sorry, I'm legally deaf. That's the only reason I'm trying to move.
I love you, Skyler. Hey, Skyler, look at me. I love you.
I need you to go back to where you stand.
Okay. No, I'm not trying
Hey,
to.
Skyler.
I got you, but
Skyler.
just for the course.
I love you.
Please do that for me.
You hear what I said?
Yes, I said I love you too.
Damn, dude. What? I was just telling her I love her, dude. She can't hear,
I
man.
know that, buddy.
No, I'm legally deaf. I have no hearing in my right ear.
Probably why they thought we were arguing, because I was yelling at you because you can't hear it, dude. I love you, Sky.
So why are we lying about social, birthday, name? Just
Just
no
tired.
reason.
I'm
Just
delirious,
no
dude.
reason.
I'm just tired, bro.
I don't think that's a good reason.
I hope so. I'm tired, dude.
I was gonna get.
All right, man. Go ahead and stand up for me. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands together like you're praying.
Skyler exits next. The male says he is legally deaf. Skyler refuses to speak. I'm not going to incriminate myself. This is a textbook Fifth Amendment invocation under Salinas versus Texas. The male gives the name Daniel Harrell, then changes it to Austin. Lying to police is a separate crime under Ohio law. Officers confirm active warrants for domestic violence. The detention becomes an arrest. Austin is told to put his hands behind his back. He initially complies.
All right, Mike. Time to go. I'm not doing that. Never. I'm not doing what, bro? What the f we not doing, dude? Let's go. Headbutt the f All right. Nope, we're going to the front. I love you, pretty people. Say it louder. That's about as far as they go.
Okay. Relax, man. It's not that serious.
What?
Anything's gonna stick me, poke me?
You about to watch me die out here tonight, dude. Just for you, Skyler. I got you, Sky.
Check that.
What happened,
Who?
Austin.
Stephanie?
She don't know
What
what's going on,
happened
that's
tonight?
all.
Yes.
That cop ass. Stop talking to him. Keep your mouth shut. Stop talking to him.
To me, okay? Please make this easier for him and us and you, all right? So, what happened tonight?
I don't even know why y'all got called here, to be honest with
Yeah,
you.
because we saw you getting beat up
Who
behind
did?
the house.
Who did?
We did.
Y'all did?
Yeah.
Where were y'all at?
Stop trying to grab my Quit trying to grab my ass.
Where's this argument?
Arguing over what? How did the argument start?
Well, my car started f***ing up.
Oh, she needs something brake fluid.
Yes, I need brake fluid.
Okay, so
My-
your car started messing up.
My brakes started f***ing up.
Yeah.
I love you, babe.
Alright. I love you.
I love you.
I love you. Like, please don't do nothing extra.
I'll see you when I get out. I love you.
I love you. Don't do that. Austin.
Oh, it's gonna be extra. I'm probably gonna die tonight, dude. Probably gonna die tonight. Just cause you wanted this.
I didn't do shit. I didn't do this shit. Austin!
Hey, I
No,
don't.
can I
Because
just?
it's gonna be.
I might be able to make him calm down.
No, because it's gonna
Being
be
honest.
it's gonna be disturbance at this point.
Oh,
so
I know.
it's
Can I
not gonna
please
happen.
just?
So
I almost make him be. I might be able to make him calm down. Like, please just.
you. Stay back. Stay. No, I need you to
I
stay.
will talk to you.
No.
He does this all the time.
I need you to stay right here. Just stop.
Like,
I'm gonna die tonight, Skyler.
no.
I'm gonna die tonight.
Austin, no.
I'm not going to get on the sidewalk, or you're going to jail too. Get on the sidewalk.
what?
Get on the sidewalk.
For what?
Obstruction. That's for what? Now stay on the sidewalk.
Do that. I will sit down. Austin, stop!
Oh, it's a wrap. He going in this.
Austin, stop! No, Austin, they tried to f*** you up. Austin, stop! They're about to f*** you up.
I'm cool.
No, they're about to fuck you up and stop for you. And they say I'm about to go to jail too because of you.
It's alright. It's alright. I'm gonna kill one of these motherfuckers, dude. Thank you, Skyler. I love you.
He broke the damn door.
Austin!
I'm alright. I'm alright.
Come on.
Austin!
Now they're going around.
Austin!
Put your knees down.
You're trying to take me too because of you. Because I didn't want to stop talking to you.
I love you. I love you, Skyler.
Lay down.
I can't lay down, bro.
Lay down.
Help me lay down.
Austin, don't do it! Austin!
Lift his legs up so we can put this further up.
Stop!
You mean that shit?
Stop! Stop it.
Tighten that real good on his ankles first.
Is it no broke for real?
Yeah.
Alright, that's criminal damage. So
I love you, Skyler.
Skyler, get back.
I'm not gonna tell you one more time. Get back on the sidewalk.
Baby, go sit down.
Get
Baby,
back
go
on the
Go
sidewalk.
sit down, baby. It's alright. It's okay. Go sit down. It's okay. Go sit down. It's okay. Go sit down. It's okay.
So I can get this
It's
one.
okay, baby. Listen to her. Listen to her, baby. It's okay. Baby, listen to her.
All right, roll.
I love you. I love you.
I love you, Skyler.
Hook that first,
I
yeah.
love you, Skyler. Chris, don't put hands on her. Let her sit. It's okay, baby. I love you. You hear me? You love me, Sky? Hey, can you loosen this cuff right here for me, sir? That shit's cutting into my wrist. Before you move me, can you loosen this? That better? This one right here. It's this one. Yep. Baby, you love me?
Yeah, I'm cool. I'll go be with my mom.
No, baby, don't do that.
Not cool.
Baby, she's so. Hey, can you grab her?
I'm cool.
No, don't say she's going with your mom. Don't say you're going with your mom, baby.
I'm cool.
You're not going with your mom. Your mom's dude. Baby, please. You hear me? You hear me?
What?
Don't go. You hear me?
Where?
Anywhere, baby. I love you.
Do I go?
Hey, I love you. I love you. You hear me? Hey, when I get out, I'm gonna come see you.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Will you?
What does that mean? What does that mean, Skyler? You motherfucker.
Hey.
You. I'll bite the fuck out of you. 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 Come here, bitch. I'm gonna fucking kill you, bitch. You love me, Skyler?
Yeah,
You love me, Skyler? Skyler! You fucking love me?
Y'all
I'm
talk.
myself. You, bitch. You. Yeah, how you like that, little Chinese?
You alright?
You like that shit? You like that shit? You like that shit?
Give me.
Ah, bite your finger off. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Shut the fuck up, you bitch. I love you, Skyler.
I'll be in there.
I'm myself.
Hey, remember what you promised
I'm
me?
myself.
Promise me?
No, you. I'm not going there. You. 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 You get me in there. I'm gonna fucking kill myself! I'm myself! Cause of you! Cause of you!
Then he threatens to kill officers. Skyler approaches the arrest scene. Officers take Austin down. Under Graham versus Connor, the force is justified. Austin threatens to bite the officer. This is felonious assault under Ohio law. He is hobble restrained. His suicide statements must be reported to the jail. Officers, B+, Austin. D, Skyler, C+. 4 lessons from this case. First, lying about your name is a crime. Fingerprints will find the warrant anyway. Second, the Fifth Amendment works in plain English. Just say you won't incriminate yourself. Third, suicide threats don't stop an arrest. They only add jail-side duties. Fourth, stepping into a partner's arrest can make you a defendant too. The core lesson, an active warrant cannot be talked away. Compliance is the only good choice. Thanks for watching. Tell us what case to break down next.